Video is a medium of intimacy, of relationship, of human to human connection. That's the source of its power. Unfortunately, that is also the source of the fear that video engenders in so many entrepreneurs and business professionals. This idea of this intimacy of this medium, of looking in that lens and kind of being out there, right? Being just you, hanging out there, not knowing who's looking at you, and so on. But honestly, if you can get past that, you are golden in terms of being able to connect on a very genuine level with all of those clients, potential clients, partners, sponsors, whoever it is that you want to work with, and most especially build relationships, long-term relationships with. They want to know who you are as a human being. They want to know who's behind the company. Who am I really working with? And can I trust that person? Video, when you get past whatever's holding you back, is the means through which you're going to be able to make those connections, make those deep connections, the kind that last. So, because this is a problem for so many clients that I know, still, even a year or so after a lot of people have gotten on video, I'm doing a webinar on June 17th at 2:30 with Jamie Madigan. We're going to dive into what is holding you back and help you get past your fear of going on camera. Even if you've already been on camera a bit and you still don't like what you see, this is going to help you as well. So click that link below and join Jamie and I on Thursday, June 17th at 2:30 Eastern Time for this free webinar. It's called From Frozen to Fabulous on Video, How to Get More Comfortable on Camera. See you then.